Hi everyone, it's Donnel Beckles again. Today I want to talk about something that every veteran should hear. The importance of applying for your VA disability benefits even if your condition is not that severe, even if you're working, and even if you think you don't need them right now. See, a lot of veterans hesitate to file. Maybe you don't want to take benefits from someone who needs it more. I hear that a lot. Maybe you think your condition isn't serious enough. Or maybe you just don't want to deal with the paperwork and the back and forth. But here's the truth. Your VA benefits are part of what you earned through service. It's not a handout. And waiting until you really need them can actually make things a lot harder for you later, especially when unpredictable events, I don't know, like a government shutdown, create uncertainty. So let's start by clearing something up. VA benefits are not automatic. You have to apply to establish your service connection, meaning the VA has to confirm that your health condition is linked to your military service. The earlier you apply, the easier that process can be. Over time, medical records get lost. We lose touch with people who witnessed the in-service injury or were around when you were first diagnosed. And documentation overall becomes harder to gather over time. By filing now, you lock in your eligibility and create a paper trail for future claims, even if your condition worsens years later. I like to think of it as insurance. You may not need that monthly tax-free payment or specialized care right now, but if your back injury flares up in 5 years or your hearing loss gets worse, having that service connection already in place makes it so much easier to get the support you deserve. Now, we're in a shutdown, which is going to be the longest shutdown in history from the looks of it. What does applying early have to do with that? During a shutdown, the VA can still operate, thanks to advance appropriations. They're funded a year in advance. But there's always uncertainty and backlog pressure. Veterans who already have established claims are protected. Their disability payments continue to flow during a shutdown. Those who haven't filed yet might face delays in scheduling exams, processing claims, or getting help from service officers. So by applying early, before a crisis hits, you're giving yourself stability when things get unpredictable. It's not just about right now, it's about future security. Because life changes, your health changes, and the last thing you want to do is start from scratch when you're in pain or struggling financially. Applying also helps others. Every claim tells the VA what conditions veterans are actually facing. The more accurate that data is, the better Congress and the VA can allocate resources for care, research, and community programs. So when you apply, you're not only helping yourself, you're strengthening the entire veteran system. So here's the bottom line. Do not wait until you're in crisis to claim what you've earned. File for your VA disability benefits now, even if you don't think you'll ever need them. It's easier to update or increase a claim later than to start from zero when times get tough. Because your active duty service mattered and your benefits are part of the promise this country made to you, protect that promise. Protect yourself. Apply today. If you're not sure how to apply, check out my last video. If you need assistance, shoot me an email at dbeckles@veteranshelpgroup.com. Thank you.